G'day guys, welcome to another video on my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget, like, subscribe, leave me a comment, all that stuff. I absolutely love it and I get back to everybody. So I have fussy cut an entire sheet. Actually, I think I fussy cut 2 sheets. If I'm being, was it 2? I'm not sure. This is a Studio 37 paper. This, I said 37 again. It's Studio 73. So I was showing these papers the other day in my live, and I don't know why I didn't make the connection, but Studio 73 is actually an Aussie brand. It's an Aussie paper company that, to be honest, for all my American people, you guys have got so much paper, etc., from that you can access. Here in Australia, we don't have that many paper companies that create from scratch. So when we find one, we like to champion it and we like to put it out there. This one is called the SHABBY ELEGANCE collection, and I cut apart, it was 2 sheets I cut apart. One was called SHABBY ELEGANCE collection, strips, titles and elements, and the other sheet that I cut, don't worry, your video hasn't paused, it's just me, and the other one was SHABBY ELEGANCE collection, tags, pockets and shapes. I will have the numbers listed below so you can purchase it if you wish. Now, I come in here with a couple of different things. I wanted to use a little bit of mixed media, but I didn't want it to overwhelm, and I wanted to show you how you can have some beautiful florals and still do mixed media, and it all works together. So you can see me there. I'm just cleaning off my Distress Oxide brushes because I have to have 2 separate ones because I've got Distress Inks and Distress Oxide brushes. You can use ink brushes on an Oxide ink pad, but you can't go the other way. So once you've got Oxide on there, if you put Oxide ink onto your ink pad, it will actually wreck your ink pad. So it won't work how it's supposed to. So that's why I have separate brushes. I have had people ask me why there's little zeros on the back of my brushes. They are actually just your, what do you call them? Album dot hole stickers, they're called. And they just, you know, they add extra strength. I can't think of the word off the top of my head. They add extra strength to when you use a hole punch, and you can put them in your ring binders and stuff. I just stuck those on the back of my Oxide ones, so it's like an extra reminder when I go to use it. I see the O and remember, hang on, am I using Oxides? So then this is the most, I've stopped raving about Lunar paste because I went crazy with it last year, but I have to tell you, this is actually Lunar paste called Cookie Dough. If you have not tried Lunar paste, you need to get your hands on some of this. It is, I bought mine from, I can't remember now, but I got mine and I absolutely love this color. It's called Cookie Dough, but it's like a champagne. It is absolutely stunning and it will go with so much. So if you want to get a Lunar paste and give it a try, you know, through stencils or direct to paper, or, you know, there's so many different ways of using it. This one is a great color because it will go with so much. Now, I have printed my photo in black and white specifically because I don't go crazy with florals. I'm not a super floral person, but I do enjoy a really well made pretty paper. I do enjoy that, and I do have photos where I think that it really works. And this is a baby photo of Angela, and I've sort of gone, if you're new to my channel, I jump all over the place when it comes to printing my photos. I don't print and go in chronological order. I print the photos in batches here at home and on my Epson printer, and I vary them. Sometimes I print them in black and white, even though obviously this would have been in color. I print it in black and white because it allows me to use some of the collections that I've got that wouldn't really match the photo. So that's a great tip. If you want to buy a certain collection and you think, well, you know what? For example, school stuff. So usually your back to school packages, I do not know why they do this, but it's all sort of your primary colors, your red, green, blue, you know, your bright, bold. Obviously, I know that red, yellow, and blue are the primary colors, but you know, your red, blue, yellow, green, they sort of seem to be the main colors of it. If your child goes to a school and like mine did, and they don't, like my children went to primary school in a school that had a color yellow, royal blue, and aqua. That was their color. Those colors don't work. They don't go together. So they're easy fix. If you want to buy the collection because you like the collection and it's going to be relevant, print your photos in black and white. Totally works. The kids know what their school uniform looked like. They know that it's obviously they didn't go to school in 1950, so therefore there was coloured photos, but it helps you tie it all together. Now, what you can see me doing this while I'm waffling on, I'm just creating a beautiful floral diagonal design. I've done a little bit of ink blending, very, very light though. I didn't want it to overpower the florals. I wanted these flowers to just blend and work together, and I really, really love how this turned out. So if you're looking for, I don't know if these are sold overseas, if this brand is sold overseas. I actually have no idea. I do know that I've done some research, and it is a lady on the Sunshine Coast, and she does the whole lot. So they're designed, printed, made, everything in Australia. So there is a few there's a few designers like Cocoa Vanilla, Paper Rose, Scrapbook Fantasies. They do all their own designs, print them, and all that's done in Australia as well. I'm trying to think of the different ones off. If you can think of a different one, please pop it in the description below. I've probably missed half a dozen of them, but we don't get a lot of, everything's so expensive down here. I know you probably think I'm being dramatic, but it really is. For me to buy, for example, I'll give you an example. My friend Bobby, she's over in the US, and she purchased and sent me, which I was so grateful for, the Vicky Bouton paper pads, the Foundations paper pads. They cost her like $8 or $9. Seriously, here in Australia, even with the exchange rate, all the rest of it, we're lucky to get them under 20 here in Australia. Like, that's how much the price differs from overseas to here. It's insane. And then postage, we don't even want to go any postage. That's just, woo! Our postage is off the charts. So, like I saw the other day, Spellbinders, when they sent me my new handle, which, amazing. This company, I'm going to scream them from the rooftops, because they have got exceptional customer service. If you haven't, I urge you, if you have an issue with anything from Spellbinders, mine was my Spellbinders Platinum die cut machine. My husband dropped it. It was not a fault of the machine. It was not, nothing went wrong. It was completely my fault. I explained that to them as well. And do you know, they literally popped in the post a new handle for me. Free of charge, free delivery. Thanks for coming. Thanks for calling. Thanks for reaching out to us. And that to me is exceptional customer service. You know, it's amazing. It really is. So, what else was I going to say? I had something else I was going to say. I can't remember what I was going to say. I got sidetracked. Sorry. My daughter's not working today, so she just came and sort of said something to me as she was leaving. And, yeah. Now, I thought that this needed something in the top and bottom corner just to sort of balance it out. Oh, look at this Lunar paste. Look at it. It's just stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I didn't dry this. I didn't dry that Lunar paste, so I'm being very, very... It's a bit sketchy doing this. These are just strips that were on the paper, and I just cut them just to make a little feature in the bottom corner. And I absolutely love it. I know it looks like I covered it all up, but layers, whenever you put layers of mixed media down, trust me, there will be bits that get covered up. It's just life. But I love how things peek out the bottom or out the top. I love it. So there you go, guys. That is my layout. I think I'm just about done. Don't forget, you can click on the description and you will see everything that I've used down below. This is how I got around the fact that I needed to do a full border. I just used some of the Lunar paste on my finger and just rubbed it very roughly along the edge because I didn't have a champagne pen that would go with it. And look at that. It looks gorgeous. Perfect. Perfectly finished off. So I'll have everything listed in the description below, including my Facebook, Instagram, and my Buy Me a Coffee link if you would like to help support the channel in me buying more supplies. And this is my layout, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me and listening to my waffle. As you can see, I didn't add lots of dimension to it. I allowed the flowers and stuff to just... They're gorgeous. They don't need anything extra. But that Lunar paste, oh, it's cookie dough, guys. Cookie dough, Lunar paste by Simon Hurley. Absolutely love it. Yeah. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Chat to you soon. Bye for now.